paddy works on the railway. In 1842 from Hartlepool I moved to Crewe, found myself a job to do, working on the railway.
Hello. I've just recently taken delivery of a few things from Robert Sorby. One of which will be in a later video. I've got myself a spare fingernail profile jig for the Pro Edge, which I'm going to try and adjust to find a way of getting a 40-40 using that. It's going to take me some experimentation, and I need some more measuring stuff to make sure I've got everything right before I do that, but I look forward to that in a few weeks' time. But the other thing I've got is this TRAC. It's a clever little device. This center section is on a thread and it raises and lowers, so you can adjust your tool rest a bit with it in situ. And this is the red one, which means it fits a 1-inch. You've got everything from 13mm to 30mm tool rest, banjo sizes for your tool post. And there's this washer to allow things to move nice and smoothly. That bothers me a bit because I think I'll probably drop that and lose that before long. But hey ho. Now then, it's supposed to tighten it up onto your tool rest at the correct height you want. However, there's a problem with the Axminster tool rest, which if we switch to a different camera, as you'll see, with the track at its lowest position, the tool rest is already above center without the tool on top of it. If I was to add a spindle gouge, then I'm well above center at my normal presentation. So that isn't going to work. I should just say it's just the Axminster tool rest that will cause a problem. It works fine with my robust tool rest. And again, the adjustment that you have on this collar should allow you to move between different sized tools quite quickly and easily. I suspect it's probably best if you're using carbides where you want to be bang on the center line with a parallel tool. I don't use carbides, so I don't really have any right to have an opinion on that, to be honest. The reason I wanted it was for my Steady Pro, and it's now called a Steady Pro because Robert Sorby kindly supplied me with the correct label, because mine was under the old name, which got upgraded or modified, whatever. Anyway, it's to go on here, and the adjustment on this collar should allow me to use my 19 or my 16mm hollowers and keep everything nice and lined up. I'm just going to pause. So as you can see, the collar is installed here. The tool rest adjustment collar is installed here. Torque. I put my tool in, and I'm bang on center, and the collar's on there, so I'm going to put that back into the tool rest. Every time it's going to be in the right place. So for this type of use, it's a nice little adjustment collar. For the tool rest, unfortunately, I'm not so sure that it's a particularly useful tool, apart from, as I said, carbides where you want to be able to adjust to the thickness of the carbide tool. Let's look at it while I talk to you. For carbides, you'll want to adjust to the thickness of the carbide tool and keep it up bang on center. It'll be grand for that. For The traditionals you tend to present at different angles, so not so sure it's a winner on that one. But for any jig like the Steady Pro, where you want the tool in the same position every time, it's a saver. It saves you time, and very good it is too. So thank you, Robert Sorby, for coming up with that idea, and I will be pleased to use it. Thank you.